conducted a narrative context study with a leading mineral water brand in Indonesia to understand the subconscious emotional frames that rule consumers' minds. In a traditional qualitative interview, when people are asked why they like to drink this brand, we typically get answers like, "It has a long history in Indonesia. The quality is excellent. Water is good for your health." Generic responses like that. These responses, though they appear plausible, are rationalized and do not reveal true emotional drivers. We conducted a ZMET-fueled narrative context study for the brand. In our deep dive to understand the brand drivers, we found out that the brand and product experience is not limited to being simply healthy or having a long history. That is something all the existing brands communicate in their ads. What we understood was that the brand's emotional driver is a sense of moving forward in life. The in-depth psychological interviews revealed an emotional frame of connection. There's a strong sense of social interaction, which creates an interactive give and take connection frame, expanding vision and experience, and leaving the consumer feeling emotionally geared toward the benefits of mutual relationships. The brand also commands the psychological frame of orientation, which allows one to move towards a set goal. Every step propels them forward, and that constitutes the sense of motion. We then took forward these insights and visual metaphors to sharpen brand communication. We created storyboard concepts based on these identified brand drivers and the emotional experience of moving forward in life. Here's an example of one of the storyboards that we created as part of our Creative Impact Benchmark, designed to support and inspire creative development. This story starts with the wife and her kid making contact with Dad, who is the first Indonesian astronaut in space, activating the emotional frame of connection. Things take a turn to create challenges that our protagonists have to overcome. And here, the water bottle brand helps Mom to protect her family. The sense of motion is frequently cued, such as by the moving car, and the open skies filled with stars represents the frame of orientation, moving forward and towards a goal. Following is a commercial developed by the client based on the astronaut and Mars concept we shared. The story establishes emotional frame of connection, and Aqua brand is presented as the common link.